Picture this, an island that seems to have been perfectly shaped by a cosmic hand, a lake where animals turn to eerie statues, and a place where ships and planes mysteriously vanish, never to be seen again. Welcome to a journey through some of the strangest places on Earth, locations that science can't fully explain. These places defy logic, challenge our understanding of the world, and have left scientists scratching their heads for decades. Intrigued? You should be. From the Bermuda Triangle to the heart-shaped island, today we're exploring the top 10 places that make you question everything you thought you knew about our planet. Let's dive right in. Let's start off at number 10. Deep in the Atlantic Ocean lies a region so mysterious, it's been called the Devil's Triangle. Planes vanish, ships disappear without a trace, and to this day, science still can't fully explain why. Stretching between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, this eerie stretch of ocean has swallowed everything from small boats to giant military aircraft. Take Flight 19, 5 Navy bombers that vanished mid-flight in 1945. No wreckage, no distress calls, just gone. Some say it's violent storms and magnetic anomalies messing with compasses. Others believe underwater methane eruptions could sink ships instantly. But the wildest theories? A portal to another dimension, or even alien abductions. Despite modern technology, the Bermuda Triangle remains one of Earth's strangest enigmas. So, is it just nature at its worst, or something far beyond our understanding? What do you think? Coming up next at number 9, deep in Death Valley, California, there's a place where rocks move on their own. No one has ever seen it happen, but the evidence is undeniable. Massive stones leave long, winding trails across the desert floor, as if they're alive. For decades, scientists were baffled. No gravity tricks, no hidden forces, just heavy rocks mysteriously gliding across the dry, cracked ground of racetrack playa. Some stones travel straight, others curve, and some even change direction, as if they have a mind of their own. Theories ranged from magnetic fields to underground tremors, but nothing quite fit. Then in 2014, researchers captured a breakthrough. Thin ice sheets forming overnight, combined with just the right amount of wind, were able to push the stones. But here's the catch. This only explains some of the movement. Many rocks defy even this explanation. So, is it nature's magic, or something we still don't fully understand? The mystery of the sailing stones remains one of Earth's strangest unsolved phenomena. Next up at number 8, imagine walking along a beach and stumbling upon giant, perfectly round boulders scattered across the sand, like nature's own marbles. Welcome to Kokohi Beach, New Zealand, home to the Moroi Boulders, one of the strangest places on Earth that science still struggles to fully explain. These massive spherical stones, some over 6 feet wide, look like they were sculpted by an artist, but they weren't. According to Maori legend, they are the remains of ancient canoes, food baskets, and gourds from a lost voyage. Scientists say they formed millions of years ago through a rare process called concretion, where minerals slowly hardened around a core, like pearls in an oyster. But here's the mystery. Why are they so perfectly round? Why are they only found here in such numbers? And why do they seem to emerge from the cliffs, as if nature is revealing them one by one? Even stranger, some have cracked open, revealing eerie honeycomb patterns inside, almost like fossilized alien eggs. Are they natural formations, a lost piece of ancient history, or something we're not meant to understand? Whatever the truth, the Moroi Boulders remain one of Earth's greatest geological enigmas. Up next at number 7, ever heard of a place where gravity seems to take a break? Welcome to Magnetic Hill in Ladakh, India, one of the strangest places on Earth that science still struggles to fully explain. Here's the mystery. If you park your car at a marked spot on this desolate road and put it in neutral, it starts rolling uphill, completely on its own. No push, no tricks, just an invisible force pulling it against gravity. Locals believe the hill has supernatural powers. Some say it's a gateway to another dimension. Others believe it's the work of unseen energies. But scientists argue it's just an optical illusion, where the downhill slope looks like it's going uphill. But here's the catch. Even pilots flying over Magnetic Hill have reported strange magnetic interference. If it's just an illusion, why does it affect aircraft? So is it science, an illusion, or something beyond our understanding? One thing's for sure, Magnetic Hill remains one of the most baffling places on the planet. Next up at number 6, deep in Poland, near the town of Gryfino, lies one of the strangest places on Earth, the Crooked Forest. Over 400 pine trees, all bent at a bizarre 90-degree angle near the base before twisting straight up toward the sky. But why? Some believe it was human intervention, maybe an ancient farming technique gone wrong. Others think a freak snowstorm buried the saplings, forcing them to grow in this unnatural shape. But here's where it gets weird. No one can prove it. Some say it's a gravitational anomaly, a place where the laws of nature don't apply. Others whisper about paranormal forces, a gateway to another world. And then there's the theory of military experiments, secret weapons warping the trees. Despite decades of research, no one knows for sure. The trees remain frozen in their eerie, twisted forms, standing as silent sentinels to a mystery that refuses to be solved. Halfway there, at number 5, deep in Tanzania, lies one of the strangest places on Earth, Lake Natron. A lake so deadly, it turns animals to stone. With temperatures reaching 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius, and a pH level as high as 10.5, it's more like a natural chemical bath than a lake. The water is filled with caustic salt, strong enough to burn the skin of most creatures. Birds that mistake the lake for a resting spot meet a terrifying fate. Their bodies calcify, preserved in eerie, statue-like forms. But here's the mystery. One species thrives, the lesser flamingo. They nest on the toxic waters and aren't harmed at all. Scientists have theories. Maybe the flamingos have a biological resistance, or maybe the lake's unique chemical makeup preserves rather than kills. But no one knows for sure why some creatures survive while others turn to stone. A lake that mummifies animals, boils at scorching temperatures, yet is a paradise for flamingos. Nature's mysteries don't get much stranger than this. Next up at number 4, deep in Mexico, there's a place so eerie, so baffling, that even scientists can't fully explain it. Welcome to the place of skulls. Ancient ruins scattered with human skulls, whispering a dark past. Some say it was an Aztec sacrificial site, but here's the catch. Many of the skulls don't match known rituals. Were these warriors or something else? Local legends claim this place is cursed. Shadows move when no one's there. Whispers echo in the wind. Even seasoned archaeologists report feeling watched, like the spirits of the past never left. And here's where it gets weirder. Some skulls show signs of strange modifications, unlike anything in Mesoamerican history. Could this be proof of an unknown civilization or something beyond human? Science tries to explain it, but mysteries remain. Why here? Why so many? And why do visitors leave with an unshakable feeling of dread? Is the place of skulls just an ancient burial ground, or something far more sinister? Up next at number 3, deep in Minnesota's Judge C.R. Magny State Park, lies one of the strangest geological mysteries on Earth, the Devil's Kettle. Imagine a roaring waterfall that splits in two, but here's the weird part. One half continues downstream, while the other vanishes into a hole and never comes out. For years, scientists and explorers have tried to solve the mystery. Where does the water go? They've dropped dye, ping pong balls, even logs into the churning abyss, but nothing ever resurfaces. It's as if the Earth itself is swallowing everything whole. Some believe there's a hidden underground river. Others think it leads to an undiscovered cavern system. And then there are the legends, stories of supernatural forces or a bottomless pit leading straight to the underworld. Despite all attempts, the exact fate of the disappearing water remains unknown. The Devil's Kettle defies logic, challenges science, and keeps its secrets buried deep beneath the earth. Coming up next at number 2, off the coast of Mauritius, deep in the Indian Ocean, lies something that defies all logic, an underwater waterfall. But how is that even possible? Water falling into more water? From above, it looks like a massive waterfall plunging into the ocean's depths, as if the sea itself is being swallowed by an unseen force. Some say it's a portal to another world, while others claim it's a glitch in reality. But here's the real mystery. Science struggles to fully explain it. The secret? It's actually an optical illusion created by sand and silt being pulled by ocean currents. The way the water moves makes it look like a deep, endless drop. But even though we think we understand it, some experts still debate why it appears so perfectly from the sky. Is it just a trick of the eye? Or could there be something more to this strange phenomenon? One thing's for sure, Mauritius holds one of the most mind-bending sights on Earth. And at last but not least, deep in the Bay of Bengal, hidden among the waves, lies an island shaped like a perfect heart, and no one knows why. This bizarre landmass, known as Lover's Island by locals, has no official name on maps. Even more mysterious, it seems to change shape over time. Satellite images show it shrinking, expanding, and even tilting slightly, almost as if it's alive. Scientists have studied it, but there's no clear explanation. Some say it's due to shifting tides or sand deposits, but why does this island remain perfectly heart-shaped while others erode chaotically? And here's where things get eerie. Boats that venture too close report strange compass malfunctions, sudden fog, and whispers in the wind. Some fishermen even refuse to go near it, believing it's cursed. Could this be a freak geological phenomenon, a glitch in nature, or something beyond our understanding? Let me know what you think in the comments.